Hello, welcome to the fifth topic in the JSS 3 scheme of work. The topic is simultaneous equation. And in this topic, we'll be focusing on solving simultaneous linear equations using the substitution and elimination method. In this topic, we would learn the meaning of simultaneous equation, the steps required to solve simultaneous linear equation using the substitution method. Then we'll solve simultaneous linear equation using the substitution method. We'll also learn the steps required to solve simultaneous linear equations using elimination method. And then we practice that in solving simultaneous linear equations using the elimination method. And finally, we'll learn some problems leading to simultaneous equation. We believe that at the end of this topic, you will be able to solve many problems on these itemized objectives. Thank you.